Hi, my dear friends. Do you know how to use these two sentences correctly? These two sentences are I left my phone, I forgot my phone. You can say I left my phone at home. I left my phone in the office. Like that. ඔයාට පුළුවන් I left my phone කියන වාක්‍ය ස්ථානයක් සමග යොදන්න. ලොකේෂන් එකක් තියෙනවා. I left my phone at home. මම ෆෝන් එක ගෙදර දාලා ආවා. You can't say I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home කියන්න එපා. I forgot my phone කිව්වොත් අපි ලොකේෂන් එකක් දාන්නේ නැහැ. I forgot my phone. That's all එච්චරයි. I forgot my umbrella. මට මගේ කුඩේ අමතක වුණා. එච්චරයි. I left my umbrella කිව්වොත් you can use the location. I left my umbrella at home. That is the difference between I left my phone and I forgot my phone. See you again. Thank you very much.